Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we want to talk about docstrings in Julia. And what are docstrings? Docstrings are easy strings which are used for documenting your code. And as you can see, I have here the example of the last time where we programmed here the function 2squares. That was our Luxor tutorial. Have a look at it if you haven't seen it yet. And here, what are docstrings? We make a docstring easily by 3 speaking signs, and inside this signs we can write our documentation. Important is that we have to do it before the function. We have to write it before the function. And here we can write now this function draws 2 squares next to each other. Maybe the description is not the best, but for the example it should be enough so that you can understand how this works. And then if we use this function here, for example, we call 2 squares, then we have here this sign, and if we click on it, then we see exactly here our documentation. This function draws 2 squares next to each other. Here are some typos, by the way. 2 squares. And that's it. Now, in this example, it's very simple, so it doesn't have big value to write it here. But if you have a bigger project where you have 10, 20, maybe also 100 functions, and you can't remember all the functions and functionalities, and sometimes also this name here is not good enough to understand what it really does, then these docstrings can be really helpful. So think about, and I would recommend you to do it always. This is also already the video for today, and see you in the next video. Bye guys!